Every year on the last weekend in May, the Go Bike Montreal Festival brings together tens of thousands of cyclists, including us. La Nuit 2025 kicked off the weekend with a 22-kilometer ride around Saint-Léonard, a northeastern borough of Montreal. It's always a fun-filled night on car-free streets, but this time with twice as many Bromptons. We're at Union Station. We are heading to Montreal for the Go Bike Festival, for our third Go Bike Festival. And the first year it was just us, and the second year we brought our friend Kristen, and the third year we're showing up with 13 other people from Toronto. It's going to be great. As always, we took the train from Toronto to Montreal. But in 2025, Via Rail got a bit pickier about bringing folding bikes on board, so we put covers on our Bromptons. I've got the old bag cover that's since been replaced, but I like it because I can still roll the Brompton along on its rack wheels.
Thank you.
The new transit transport bag goes over the whole bike, so Pierre had to carry it with the shoulder strap. He didn't seem to mind, but I'm glad I could roll my bike. Five hours later, we were in Montreal. With its bi-directional bike lanes, considerate detours for cyclists, and quiet, pedestrianized streets. Our hotel even had a closet that fit both of our Bromptons. A couple hours before La Nuit kicked off, Toronto Bromptoners met with Montreal Bromptoners at Cycloflex, the Brompton store on Saint Denis that just opened in 2025.
We gotta put our pennies. Oh, they're putting on the bag. There we go.
Once everyone had arrived, including our friend whose train was delayed 6 hours, we gathered on Saint Denis for a group shot, then biked together to the start of the ride. Side streets near the start line were blocked to motor vehicle traffic, and the Brompton Brigade quickly fanned out to take over the whole street. At Rosemount Boulevard on the western edge of Maisonneuve Park, we joined the crowd waiting to start La Nuit. While waiting, we warmed up our dance moves. As the sun set, the ride began.
So we finally got started.
Making a new Brompton friend, eh? Yeah! Hello, Brompton! Another! One of the funnest things about this ride is how the citizens of Montreal come out to cheer everyone on. The other funnest thing about La Nuit is all the costumes. People dress up themselves and their bikes with lights, signs, and even balloons. It's also fun how everyone whoops it up whenever we go under an echoey underpass. And the absolute best is dancing while cycling. We did a lot of that. In previous years, we simply cycled past photographers snapping pictures. But this year, we were funneled into a narrow space and forced to walk our bikes. Not fun. To keep everyone's spirits up, the locals broke into song. At least Pierre and Laurent got this memorable pic. Lots of cheers when we finally get out of the photo stop.
Jackson, we did it!
We did it! You know what? I gotta say, there were a few 10-year-olds who gave me a run for my money, but I persevered.
Yeah, I kicked their asses.
I was like, you might be 1/4 my age. I got 5 times the attitude.
Tour La Nuit 2025 concluded in Parc Maisonneuve with Milk, the ride sponsor, and more dancing.
And
Nuit.
yeah. And what are the stats?
So the route was 22 kilometers. We probably rode 35 there and back because it was a waste from our hotel to start. So yeah, but yeah, fun 22 kilometer ride. We made it, well, got to the end, and yeah.
Yeah, it was great. It was great to see all the Bromptoners out.
Shout out to Aurelie for organizing everything and for Cycloflex for hosting us to gather before the ride. That was really nice to see everybody and really nice to meet all the Montreal Bromptoners at Cycloflex.
Cool.
And 2 days later, after the rainiest weekend we've ever had in Montreal, we rode the Tour d'Île.